Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size using your Firefox web browser app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up the Firefox app on your mobile device. Now from here we need to click on the three dots on the top right hand corner of the page and then click in the settings. It'll be the last option. Now from here, once you're inside settings, scroll down and look for accessibility. Go ahead and tap into it. And then under where it says accessibility, you've got automatic font sizing. And then after that is font size. So make text on websites larger or smaller. And you'll see a little slider here. So to enable or to make it larger rather, slide it to the left or right. But before we do that, we need to uncheck that automatic font sizing to do that. So uncheck that, and now we can move this slider left and right, and you can see down below, you can see what the font size will change to. So yeah, so just move that slider around and find a good size for your eyes to make it easier for you to read.